Hello, we're live. Yippee. Let me get title up. Oh, yeah. I transferred some items I had on an old account over to this account. Because some of them are worth quite a bit. Like these, I think sell for like $12. And I just like have them just sitting in a different account. I really like the American Pastoral rocket launchers. I think they look very nice. I might keep that. I might not though. We'll see. These are also cool. I think I unboxed... I don't think I unboxed the Festive Shotgun. I could be wrong though. I definitely unboxed the SMG and the back burner. I remember that. Alright. So... what are we going to do today? Also, I just got out of the shower, so if my hair looks wet, it's clean wet. It's not dirty wet. Let's go ahead and get rid of those. I have a couple of ideas. First of all, I'd like to add more options to this menu. Some things that I think would be interesting is that the way MVM works is they're custom 64-player servers. And it's 6 versus what is the remaining 56? Nope, 58. So it's 6 versus 58 players essentially. So a lot of people struggle with MVM because of frame lag. There's some internet lag, but I don't think I'll be able to do anything about that on a HUD basis, the internet lag. But a big thing would be disabling shadows and disabling ragdolls and gibs. So let me find shadows. Is there just like a way to disable them? I guess r_shadow. So I'd like to add those settings, and then I'd also like to continue working on the MVM screen. I did play some MVM after the last stream, the last HUD editing stream, and it looked okay, but the buttons weren't accessible on the top. So that was a bit of a bummer. Uh-oh. On this episode of Is the Game Crashing? It does appear that way. This is a unique crash. Oh, it didn't. Cool. R_shadow. Nope, not shader RGB. Shadows. Let's watch to the right here. Wow. Yeah, so that one will be easy. And then find ragdoll. I'm worried this one might be more difficult. Because I'm not sure there's one that just like has a 0 or 1 value. Yeah. Shadows is doable. I don't know about Gibbs and ragdolls. I guess like I could have presets for the ragdoll fade time. It's just a walkway bug? Huh? That one should fade soon, right? 15 seconds. Although maybe they're not sleeping. They can't rest. They're stuck in this mortal coil. Oh no. Huh. Maybe we don't fuck with that.
The world will thank me for this, you monster.
Alright, well, we can do the shadows. What am I looking for? XHUD.CFG. Shadows disabled. Well, shadows enabled for PvP. Alias X underscore shadows PvP underscore dump echo shadows PvP on alias shadows PvP what? Shadows PvP shadows PvP on what was it? R underscore shadows. All right. Now let's add these up here. Alias X underscore shadows. PP dump. Alias X underscore. What was I doing? Shadows MVM dump. What else was I doing? Generate. I don't have to do anything for generate, I just have to do something for save. X underscore shadows PVP dump. X underscore shadows MVM dump. And then we gotta add the button to MVM. I can disconnect from this now. Oh, I got new items, cool. Oh boy, a shortstop. It'll look right going after this, because I kind of prefer to have a little bit of smooth transitions. So, for example, this is going to be the longest word, also probably the most likely to be used. So when those work out, it's very nice. Otherwise, I like it to be the most likely to be used, or most important. Like, people probably won't use this one the most, but they should. So they should have to like look at it and make the conscious decision. Because if it's down here, they're just not gonna read it and not make the decision to. But down here, it'll be like longest, medium length, shortest customization. And that'll make a smooth slope, which I like. This is a funky song. And I don't think this panel will be big enough, so I'll have to extend it by another 19. Exact. Excellent. Shadows. Do not. Ah. Crash inbound. Wow. I saw some error. I don't know what it was though. I mean, there's lots of errors, but I saw some error I actually cared about. Got key value for HUD layout.x scope anchor. Ah. Alright.
Get to an upgrade station.
TF_bot add 1. Here's a shadow. So now I do this. I'm just dumb. Shadows. PvP. Shadows, MVM.
Let us move.
The shadows are gone. Very cool. And then if I connect to a casual game, game dead. I know the screen's still off-centered. PvP detected. Let's try and get that centered. Yeah, shadows. Cool.
Thanks.
Competition begins in 30 seconds.
Let's throw down. On three. Rock, paper, scissors. Yes. Did I win? Big scissors.
Damn.
Prepare to compete in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give them hell, boys.
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
All right. I just disabled shadows for PvP and enabled them for MVM. So we're gonna make sure that all of the settings work.
Get to an upgrade station, quickly.
Let us move. Another successful procedure. Thank you, Herr Doctor.
Shadows disabled for MVM.
I am fully charged. Proceed. Cheers, Doctor.
Alright, well that looks like it's gone pretty well. I think another thing I might do... Oh, also, I want to check... I think I might be able to move the sniper scope charge. What? Hold on. I'd like to be able to move the sniper scope charge. I think that'd be very neat. To have like a centered sniper scope charge. Let's get this kind of centered. But I don't know where that's going. The fuck? It's nowhere to be found. That's so weird. Where'd it go, man? What the fuck? Well, where's the scope charge anchor? Wait. Oh, it's like down there. What the fuck? It's all the way in the bottom left. Okay, I think we're on to something now. Hey, we found it. Let's go. You can barely see it poking in. It's over there. That's awesome. I wonder why it's so off. Alright, where is it normally?
That was not medicine.
Yo, I almost nailed that. Wait, am I dumb? I am dumb. It's not where I expected that to be. Looks like the height might be right.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
Looks like I got the exposition correct. These seem like random numbers to me. Alright, so that's like default.
That was doctor-assisted homicide.
Hmm.
Herr Doctor. Thank you, Herr Doctor. Another successful procedure. Did that sting? Sorry. Danke, Herr Doctor.
Can I just move that? Is that like the thing that I can do? Fuck me. Hold on. Do I not have to pin this?
Another successful procedure.
What? C64, negative 64.
Sorry.
Strange. Is that centered?
Talk ahead, Doctor.
No.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
I don't know what to do about the lightning bolt, though.
Thank you, Herr Doctor. Talk ahead, Doctor.
It's pretty much centered if you ignore the lightning bolt, but it doesn't look right.
Talk ahead, Doctor. Talk ahead, Doctor.
Will this fit between those? Maybe, honestly. The lightning bolt? No.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
It actually looks so much better. But that didn't change the size much.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
Why does that look better? Oh. Am I tripping? I think I might be.
Doctor, Herr Doctor.
Let's try. That's 64 plus 32, right?
Doctor, Herr Doctor.
Oh.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
I don't know. I'm gonna play around with this being closer to my crosshair for a little bit and see how I
Doctor, Herr Doctor.
like it.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
Can I put this in a larger panel? Is the question. This is a fucking side quest. I'm sorry as well. Control name. Edit table. Panel. Field name. Scope. Charge panel. So I'm doing this so that potentially this will get cut off so that we can maybe get rid of the lightning bolt on the side. Doesn't look like it works. No, I think that's getting too complicated for what we want to do. I wonder if I can set the alpha for this. You're doing the MVM in XHUD? Kinda. I got sidetracked playing around with the scope charge. I worked on some MVM and PvP customizations as well, so that's cool. Does not look like I can set the alpha for this. Bummer. I should be able to... can I? I'm wondering if there's an easy way to... Oh, also I hope you're doing well. I appreciate the well wishes. HUD animations. Where are you at? I'm curious if I'd be able to do like an easy MVM only scope removal type thing. I'm not sure. I think I probably could. It would only be for MVM. Scoop, anchor. My god, why would it correct it to that? Oh my fucking god. Useless editor sometimes, man. And then where's the MVM thing? It's banned in RGL as well, which is why we would not have that. Game type MP. What the fuck? Oh. Animate. Scoop. Anchor. What was I doing? Oh. Don't want to give Sniper more vision while scoped. I don't think it's super consequential, to be completely honest. I just think it's kind of annoying that getting, like, when you're boosted in MVM, doing this constantly is kind of annoying. What? Is that not named correctly? Scope anchor. Wait. Am I doing this wrong? What the fuck? Are the status effect things like mark for death, bleed supposed? Yeah, they're supposed to be behind there. It does kind of break, but honestly, if you have more than like 2 status effects on you, you're probably not gonna be alive long enough for it to matter what effects you have. And like honestly, most of the effects are pretty obvious. Anyway.
Go, go, go!
Test. HUD IM. Am I dumb? What's going on here?
Let's go, mates.
You tested it with a banner effect and marked for death? Yeah. The issue is that, like, for the health bar, in order for the health bar to work, the bounds have to be that. And so it doesn't leave a whole lot of room for status effects.
Go, go, go. Let's go, mates.
Huh. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing.
Get bloody going.
Weird.
Go, go, go.
What? Hold on, huh?
Let's go, mate.
First of all, that looks really sick.
Get bloody going.
Man, sometimes this game is really goofy.
Go, go, go.
It removes names instead of putting a white box over it. I prefer that method over other stuff as well. And like, honestly, I think it was easier to do than just putting white boxes over stuff. Maybe it's just because I thought about it a little differently. I think I just used a blank font. Like the font entry for the label is just blank in my version.
Get bloody going. Thanks, mate.
I think that works pretty okay. I need to go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Bud HUD used to just remove it, now it puts boxes over it. I wonder if that's more consistent or something. Like what the purpose for that is, because I think it's more complicated too. Let's see how this works in casual. It should not remove the scope in casual. The moment I connect, it should just reset.
The car ain't moving, lads.
That's not supposed to happen. What the fuck? PvP detected. Hmm. I didn't deserve. He dropped to that too. I feel bad. Why?
Yo. Level 0 cow pre-firing everyone.
It feels like cheating. I don't think I would have gotten him. Or I think I would have gotten him with the scope or not. It did feel weird though. Why did it not work? This ran. Did this not? Well, that's the one that should animate it. I mean, you can use it in casual, but people don't run it in casual. I think a lot of people just wouldn't bother. I think most of the time it's fairly inconsequential because the sniper FOV is actually relatively substantial. And like if someone's outside of that, it's an unreliable flick regardless of how good you are. So I don't think there's many situations where it actually provides an advantage. In my opinion. I just wish the scope was a different color. If it was like light gray, it wouldn't be as obnoxious.
Hurry, get to an upgrade station.
Get bloody going.
It's like the opposite of Valorant's flashbangs. They used to make your screen all white, like the flashbangs from CS, and then they added, I forget what they called it. But they added the ability to just make them like the color of the class that threw them, so like sky flashes were just green. And honestly, I think that's one of the best quality of life changes any game has ever made. My tier list would be like the Valorant I guess night mode flashes or something like that, you'd call it. Like Valorant night mode flashes, number 1. Number 2 would be Warframe separating Slova and Speedva. Could do with a lot of quality of life changes. I think there's a good number of them. I think the default settings not being updated to like the existence of modern internet is kind of insane. Like TF2 still uses internet settings for dial-up internet, which is crazy. It is 2026. People don't even know what dial-up internet was.
Now get to an upgrade station.
Get bloody going!
Oh, interesting. Or like the base FOV, man. I hate playing pubs and I get on like some engineer's camera and it just feels like he's scoped in, beaten a century. Just like, fuck. Step back, man. Holy. Oh my god. Speaking of quality of life changes, how about they make it not crash every time I connect from one local server to another? Like, I'm trying to not use unfair settings against actual players, and I can't. "70 FOV gives you a headache." That's because it's zoomed in. It's like in movies where they're just like, enhance. It's crazy. You have a friend who refuses to change their FOV? They're doing it wrong. I will say, people who swear by 4:3 resolutions, they're like, oh yeah, 4:3 stretched, but just, it makes me more accurate. It's like, you know, you could just like use 16:9 and a lower FOV. You just think it makes you feel more accurate because it's just a lower FOV is the difference. They're fatter and move faster? Yeah. Because the horizontal stuff is... Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
Give him a gobful!
Alert. Get to an upgrade station before they return.
Go, go, go!
Alright. I think it's interesting Banny plays on 4:3. Because when I play Pocket Scout, I want as much FOV as possible. Like, I was considering using, like, ultra-wide squished. Like, 32:9 squished. Or 21:9 squished.
Alert. Our control point has been captured.
Oh, I can't shoot through that window. Bummer. Where the fuck? Oh, they're on the other control point. His whole career, he has, yeah. What? That doesn't reg? He could switch off of 4x3 if he wanted. It wouldn't be that hard. I'm fucked. Yeah, I saw that. People get in their own head with different settings is the issue. Alright, we appear to have this working.
Time has been added.
I'm fucked. Hey, I got him at least. Let's go. See if I can MVM. Change it back with some MVM. And then we'll work on adding the button for this. Oh, guess not. It's not meant to be. Bummer. All right. So this will have to be an actual log-based customization. Oh, what the heck? My OBS layout's different. I think the way I want this to work is I want to just log base this line. gets this weird motion blur effect. I think that's probably just a side effect of the way that motion view or transparent view models work. Because it has to do with transparency, and it's kind of weird.
Get to an upgrade station, quickly.
Like this. I don't see what's different, honestly.
Let's go, mates.
That was not medicine.
Get bloody going. Go, go, go.
Maybe. It could be... I'm not... There are, like, multiple settings that go along with transparent view models. I don't think I set them manually, or I don't think I override them. Like, I have 0... I guess I have almost the complete opposite settings. All right. Scope removal. I'm naming this scope removal MVM. Not because I plan to add it for PvP, just to make it clear that it's only for MVM. Scope removal, MVM rights. Solar says to me he's just doing small stuff. The Solar Light HUD looks pretty cool. I like some of the technical stuff that he's doing with it. It's pretty cool. You like that the font looks very bold? Yeah, it's a very stylized font. I think it's a very stylized HUD in general. I think it's going to be popular because a lot of people are pissed at all the minimal HUDs. We're at the oversaturation of the minimal HUDs, I guess. I really don't need to echo anything for the HUD scope there. So I need a dump and a write alias for these. I like minimalist HUDs a lot as well. I can see it going both ways. I think if you like a HUD, you like a HUD. I don't think it's... People like to villainize customizing a HUD or customizing a game how you like it to look. And like, it doesn't matter. Like, it's not disrespectful to the art style to like the game with a minimalist HUD. I think they are of the opinion that HUDs should be diegetic, and that, like, they should exist in the HUD universe, or in the game universe. Whereas I'm more of the opinion that HUDs are non-diegetic, and that, like, when you walk around in real life, you don't have a HUD. It's not like I'm walking around with, like, a spaceman helmet on, and there's, like, in-lore reasons why there's a HUD being projected into my face. It's that, like, I'm a fucking soldier in the 1970s running around and there's a HUD. That's non-diegetic to me, so in my opinion, whatever makes it easiest to read it takes me out of the game universe less, which makes me enjoy it more. I can see other people thinking, like, it should be pulling me into the game universe by being in the theme of the game. I think I just have a different philosophy about it, though. I mean, ultimately, I don't have an issue with people going one way or another. I just think, like, if you're gonna complain about there being a lack of stylized HUDs, then make a stylized HUD. If you're just gonna complain about it and do nothing about it, then, like, stop. You don't need to bully people for using minimal HUDs and then not doing anything about it yourself. I use centered guns on Horsey's model editor, mostly. On hitscan's weapon, yes. On hitscan weapons, yes. Except for miniguns. On projectile weapons, I do not. And then there's a couple that I went through and customized, like the original rocket launcher. I kind of like how the original looks on minimal view models, but I don't like how normal rocket launchers look on minimal view models, so I tried to kind of make the original look nicer while keeping the other ones the same. So ultimately, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I'm not exactly sure how I want to handle the scope removal buttons. I think it would I'm thinking it could be cool to just have these buttons grayed out and not clickable to symbolize, like, you'll never be able to turn it off. Or it could be like scope removal, not available for PvP, and it's just like a text box here, and then MVM on or off. I don't know. I feel like it's daunting. I think it's kind of like HUD editing, where you make like little adjustments, see what they do, and then you just keep doing that. I mostly didn't mess with them. It'd be cool if someone made a GUI for it, but I don't know if Horsey plans on updating it, and I probably will not. See, 43 plus 4, 100? Fuck, what the hell? Don't I have another grayed out button? White gray. I don't know if I have a white-gray highlight border. Oh, white-gray. Oh. Ultra thick. I can do that, and then What? Oh, wait, what? And then once we add this, it'll probably be the end of the stream. Because I've got an exam on Wednesday. That I need to get studying for, and I got lectures to do and all that. The border will probably be broken for the white-gray border. I think that requires a reload to actually see what it is. Yeah. Am I dumb? $43 plus. Yeah. In, hold on, where does that say? In XHUD Customizations.text. So that probably didn't generate correctly. If I were to ponder at Gwess. Oh, yeah. Okay, that got rid of that. Alright, let's restart the game so that we can see the actual scope removal border. I'm not sure if I actually need the HUD scope in HUD layout.tf. I don't think I do.
Now get to an upgrade station.
Go, go, go!
And then if we connect to a casual game, it should be forcibly enabled. Of course, I get a fucking medieval mode map, dude. That's crazy. Well, PvP should not be detected. Let's go pan someone. And it is, in fact, forcibly enabled. PvP doesn't say it was detected, as it shouldn't have been because we already applied those settings, so there's no need to reapply them. Very nice.
You failed. The enemy has captured our intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence.
We'll play out the rest of this life. Oh, well. That's the end of the stream. Alright. Dude, my title's not showing. Why not? There we go. Yep. It's the end of the stream. Let's push our changes to GitHub. GitHub desktop. Oh, gotta copy them over. I think I'll go ahead and disable. I'll leave that enabled for now. Then see. Added game type customizations for shadows and scope removal. Added game type customizations for shadows and scope removal, only accessible in MVM. Only I fucked that spelling. Available in MVM. Added MVM. Added work in progress. MVM tour and tour loot screen. Updated resolution selector panel grayed out order. All right, that's the end of the stream. Yeah, I may or may not be streaming tonight or tomorrow night, depending on if I need to sub. I will not be streaming Wednesday night, even though I'm scheduled to. That's the day of my exam, so after my exam, my girlfriend and I are probably gonna go out, have dinner, celebrate, hang out, watch the Olympics, all that fun stuff. And then Thursday I will be streaming. Won't be like my makeup day for missing Wednesday. And then next Monday, I will not be streaming. It is my girlfriend's birthday, so we're going to be out celebrating that. So yeah. And then I think I leave for a week in the UK on Wednesday. Yes, so I will also not be streaming next Wednesday. But yeah, I'm out. Later. You're in the UK? Very nice. I'll be in London. Speaking to Parliament.